Brynlee, say hi. Are you going to kick your legs for Mom? Good. Look at you go. Can you pull your legs up? Pull them up. Good girl. Kick him out. Cute. Kick him out. Good girl. Move your legs. Move them, move them. Oh, good. Get some exercise. Are you growling? You want to play some music for us? No? How about moving those legs? Do you want to kick a ball? Yeah? Do you want me to get a ball? Okay. All right, kick it. Kick it to Mom. Good. Kick it to Mom. Yay! Good girl. Should we put it up here? Okay. Can you kick it off your feet? Good. You want to do it again? What are you going to... Oh, good. Again? Okay, gotta put your feet together. Put them together. Whoop! I'm gonna put it right here. Yep. Let's see what you do with it. Can you get it off of there? Can you kick it off? Say, yes, I can. Good girl. You're so tough, huh? Look at you go. Okay, kick it out. Kick it out. You can do it. What? You want the big ball? That one's a little too big, Brynlee. You can kick the ball out now. You can say hi. Hi. Where's your horse? Nay, good. Where's your horse at?
Run.
Where's your doggy? Oh, you trying to find it? You can say chicken. Good words, Brynlee. Here's your chicken. There's your chicken. Chicken. Are you touching your toes? Are you touching your toes together? Oh, we got some string stuck in there. Can I tickle your toes? Yeah, come here. Let me tickle your toes. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Are you ticklish underneath your... Are you ticklish behind your knees? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Is this what we made for you when you were about 6 months? Yeah. You were just a baby, huh? What's the sign for baby? Do you know the sign for baby? Do you want to show us your teeth? Oh, let's look at those teeth. Let's see those teeth. Say ee. Good. Look at those teeth. Yeah. 2 more teeth. Gonna be out in the next couple days, huh? Yeah. Can we tell everybody that you say, I got my new mask? Yep, I got my new mask. And my nose is starting to heal up. Finley, you can blow kisses? Oh. Those are such good kisses. Are you going to kick your legs?
Mama.
Yes, sweetheart.
Mama.
Yep.
Mama. Mama.
What do you need? What? This? Do you want the keys? No. You want the keys? No. Do you want this? No. Should we put it on your head? Oh, you got it off. Do you need to burp? Yeah. Okay, you can say bye-bye.
Da, da.
Thank you.